It was a stunt that stunned New Yorkers. Two people climbed to the top of the Empire State Building's antenna and unfurled a banner. They spent more than half an hour, 1,400 feet above the ground, before climbing down to a lower level where first responders met them and arrested them. Joining me now to talk about the operation to get them back on the ground is CBS law enforcement contributor Richard Esposito. Good morning.
Hi, Mary. Good morning.
I think we have to ask the question everyone is asking: how does something like this happen?
This took a lot of work. There's a lot of security now at the Empire State Building that there wasn't 4 years ago. Something like this happened, and since then, the new security directors have put in mesh locks between the public floor, the 102nd, and the 103rd floor. There's a lot of security. That's why they're charged with burglary, because they knew enough to get through the mesh and get through the locks and defeat the security, and then get up there and do this both brave, amazing, and crazy thing.
How does the NYPD respond to something like this while keeping the people involved and the officers safe? I mean, is it something they've trained for?
Do you train for going to the top of the Empire State Building? Not exactly, but do you train for rescuing people like this? Absolutely, and all the time. And if you look at their responses, 12 o'clock, 12:48, the first call came in, 12 o'clock and 48 seconds. They soon had a helicopter up. They soon had emergency service vehicles on the way. There were cops on the street keeping people away from the building in case anything fell down. You just don't know. And then you've seen it on the video. The ESU cops climb up to the 104th floor and they keep everybody else away. And then you see them bravely go into that mast to bring these people down. So they train for all of that. And what they do to try and prevent these things is they work with building security to do all that's possible. And they do this in all the buildings in the city, all the big office buildings.
The climbers are being charged with reckless endangerment, burglary, criminal trespass. How severe do you think the consequences will be in this case?
I never like to guess on the consequences, but they'll get fines, they'll get community service. I would think they don't get jail time, but burglary is a serious charge. The other charges are misdemeanors in many ways.
Is the NYPD on the lookout for copycats or people who may have gotten ideas from this? And what tools does the department even have to discourage these types of stunts?
I mean, to discourage it, publicity is the best way to discourage it. But we've seen it over the years. People walking back when the World Trade Center stood between the Twin Towers, people climbing the Empire State Building in the past. These are professional climbers, and they're determined to do these kinds of things. And then in this case, ask the woman to marry him on the platform of the mast. So there's not a lot you can do to discourage it, except just tell people, there will be consequences. It is dangerous to others. Imagine if their body camera fell off or something happened and, there's people on an observation deck below them. Those are some of the risks.
Law enforcement contributor Richard Esposito, thank you so much for taking some time. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Mary, for having me.